Good evening, everyone. Okay, seems fine. Well, today we will continue contributing to the Corsic TH, but a little bit different. We discussed a little bit and we came to a conclusion that yes, I cannot write code because I did digging into the game code of original Team Hospital. But I can basically create notes about how system works in general. So I can't like create or show code, but I can explain it in my own words. And I will try to do my best with some flowcharts and maybe some UML diagrams. I definitely not will not do like complete UML diagrams for classes because it's kinda code how class is made. But some fields I think I can use. So that means I have to remove all of my repo with a fork because I will not be doing this. And I need to create a new repo with like this information, which I will do. So I wasted several hours attaching this freaking debugger, and that was all for nothing. Okay, there is my fork. I will tell you bye-bye because I don't need you anymore. Delete. I want to delete. It will require a code. Okay, then we will do it later. For now, I can just hide it. Archive, change visibility. For security reasons, you cannot change the visibility of a fork. Okay. Then we will deal with you later. So then I will create a new repo. Pim hospital. How can I call it? Will be easy. Hospital info. That's all for now. No template, no git ignore, no license for now. Okay, create. Okay, so let me go here and get clone. Git clone push. We have cloned empty repo. So there it is, and we can open it. But I don't need it here. Okay, so we will look again in the Corsic, because I again will try this thing with a vomit wave, and then we will see. Project. Vomit waves. Okay, so let's try this. Part of the code they got already. Copy. Boom. Disaster launch. Do you have a file? Okay, let me find it. That's easier. So it was Corsic Lua hospital, I suppose. Too many requests. I freaking love GitHub sometimes. Robert. Okay, so not to depend on this thing, I will open my Corsic repo here. So hospital vomit wave. So this I did. Now this part they did like that. It's again not like in original game, but it doesn't change much. Random. I wanted to. I better not show the code here, just to be sure. So there is our logic for Disasters in general. Flowchart. I don't have a like start end. Strange. Ouch. Usually it looks a little bit different. Flowchart. So yeah, start and rounded. Oh, I thought it was. So rounded I can get from the general. Okay. So start. It's too small, I think. Yep. Can I change default values here? Like 24. Okay. So what we are doing? Disaster type. Okay. Let me check. There's a switch with a multiple outputs which I can use. Decision. So what is this? Oh my god, I can make like that. Nice. So basically there is a 4 types we got. So can I write something here? 0. My god. Text 11. Draw IO change font size globally. Hello, Argus. Set as default style. Huh? Where? Select the shape. Click on it. On the right hand, go to the text tab. Okay, I'm there. Adjust font. Click at the bottom of the former. What? There is no such thing. Reddit. Altering code and extra condition doesn't yield any result. Default style. Under attack then you can set that as a default type. Have you pushed your latest change to Vomit Wave to GitHub, the ones you made during the previous stream? Nope. And I will not be, because how we discovered I'm not supposed to. Set as default style. It's here. This is 24. Okay, I see the problem. Zero. Do one thing. Yeah, come on. Power toys. Let me see. Always on top. Window Control T. Control T. Okay, thank you. But can I remove this freaking border? Show border. Okay. Can I make it like 2 pixels? That's nice. Okay. This we don't need. So this should be actually another this. Nope, not this. Okay, like that. So choose disaster. So if it's 0, no. Mm-mm-mm. Uh, Not quite. We need diamond here. Ah, why you don't connect here, please? What the hell have you? I like flowcharts here. This one disconnected. Mm. This will be is it time for disaster? uh, yes, choose disaster. No. What's the difference between this and this? And if break turn, okay. Next one. Let's go here. Choose disaster. And disaster type. Okay. In the middle. So choose disaster. Mm-hmm. Text, can you? Why I can't write it here? None. Let's just save it for now. Where is it? Disasters. Disaster. Okay. So we are choosing a disaster type. And then we go again. Basically disaster type second time. Okay, not okay. And here I want to check one thing. This selector. It contains this code. That's also a function. Oh no, it's some interesting thing. Which is written in a lot of spaces. Let's see. Rename global. Oh my god. Mm-hmm. Can return anything from zero. Hmm. Depending on seed. Can I run the game to check this? Just I got a main question. Can this be zero at this stage? It's Windows version. I need a Windows version. Mm. Don't have games. Will it start? Nope. I don't remember why it's happening. Log. Got my ping. Maybe because of the injection. Do I have a clean version? Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Where is it? How I did this? Word count. Oh no, it will break all of stuff. Ah, my screen. But will it run? Oh my god, what the hell am I? It's glitching. Wait a minute. No active task to kill. Oh, okay, it stopped. Ooh. Don't remember why it's happening. Uh, 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 uh. Let's try again, but again it will glitch a little bit. Mm. Mm. And will it run at least? Yeah, like that it runs. So the problem is the XVN there. For some reason break the start of the game for me. Hmm. How I managed to break it? I need to test this thing. This is okay. Let's try this. Ah, wait a minute. Is this a volume problem again? There was a problem when you change an audio channel in Windows for the game. It breaks some old game with direct sound. But apparently not this. I will delete you and add you again. Path. Games. Hospital. Okay. Nope, didn't help. Interesting. If I will start it from the map. Minus L12, I think. Launch. Nope, it didn't work. Modify. Launch. Like that. Yep, this is working. Shish. Okay, we are in game. That's good. Now, debugger, come here. I need 32 bits. And we will attach you to hospital. Then we need to find this thing. Where is our address? Follow. Go to. Okay. File offset. This. Nope. There it is. Okay, so this is our function, and I actually need not this place. I need this place because this function is called a lot throughout the game, and I need this. Breakpoint. Silent. Log text. And case safe. And where I will see this in the logs. But I don't see it. I will just set it. Doesn't work. Okay. Restart. Think I know why. That's why. No, I'm stupid. Uh, it's called only if it's time. So I need to change this global variable to 0. Compare. Oh my god. Where is this place? Switch. Okay. This one. L is I. And we're comparing this. So now it should break there. Yes. And there it is. It's a 0. And it will go in. Jump is not taking, then we are jumping there. And we are moving this one. Increment. Move this. Compare this with this thing. Go to mm, 64. Follow in memory dump. This one. So this is yeah, 64 in hex. Quick math. 64. It's 100. Okay. And this I need to nullify, so our breakpoint works every time. And we're calling this thing then it will return to L. Move X there. Can I first of all get back? Oh my god. Ah, nope. So we need this address. Why it can't find it? So breakpoint, let's see. Silent and log text will be AL. And let's run the code. Log. And we will get AL. I set you as a silent. Why are you breaking here? Hit count 2. Resume. Now, let me see. X debugger. Log. Oh my god. Register on breakpoint. Conditional breakpoints. Like that. The log can be formatted. Break condition is set, evaluate the expression, must resume is set, and break condition evaluated. Resume execution. So silent, it's not what I thought. I need fast resume apparently. Log text, string formatting. The basic syntax is expression, the optional type of the expression. Decimal x. So I can do it like that. Complex type size. Example rocks. So should be like that. Let's try. Run. So now come on, why are you still breaking? I know I can try and do it like break condition L equal 0, this break condition is set with the expression this works like that then. 7, 8, 9, okay. No, then it doesn't log anything. Because it doesn't break there. I wanna see what's happening there. 22 times it was already triggered. Oh, that's interesting. So yeah, this function returns a lot of numbers. That's what I see. L. Let me see another thing. Index BL rnd AL. Cheat engine VG. Come here. Assembly. And assembler commands and destination and source. So the result will be saved into the destination. Basically in this. Okay. So I need to grab this breakpoint and actually move it to the next. Okay, so this interesting function returns a bunch of numbers. That's what I saw, but I didn't check that there is a next line after this function. So this is a general function which just returns a random number. But then we are doing specific things with our number. Okay. Let's try. But the main thing I see is this. Okay. Mm-hmm. Let me. Let me. So this and where is this thing? Mm, okay, that's what I wanted. Okay, there's the answer. So then we will do this thing differently. Oof, oof, oof. How can I do this then? Because I need to do it like that. Ah! Why are you going here? Something like that. So let's try and make this readable at least. I need 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Dish, and no, wait a minute. It's a little bit different. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. So no, it doesn't go here. Read. Ow. Ba-ba-ba-bum. So let's see. We're checking disaster type. If it's none, we are checking if it's time for the disaster. If not, we are going out. Let's do it like that for now. If it is, choose a disaster. Then we got another decision to make according to disaster type. Let's copy. Again, if it's this, okay, and return. If it's this, okay. If so, we checked this, and this. No, and we go again to the end. None. And then here. Ah, if we got this thing. Radiator down. Oh my god. Radiator down. Heat up is easier. And heat down. Why are you not in the same place? Heat down. And here we are getting our vomit wave. Mm, mm. Oh, so Candyman. If this, if not enough, we are saving this stuff. Uh, okay, so oh, there's so many ifs. That is enough. In demands. Mm. Hey, how can I align you? Okay, let's try just do this. Then we will make it nicer. If mm, just if there's enough. And we'll go here. Can you? Eh, yes. Hey, why are you not attaching to the same place? Mm. If not, Mm, we will go and call a processor, define process. Okay. Can I write something inside? Text? No? Is it data? Okay. Let's try like that. What you did? Ah, no. This one. Boiler down. And then it goes to the exit. Then this. Boiler up. Boiler down. Okay. Nope. Something like that for now. Vomit wave. Vomit wave. There is also decision. Is enough liter. Is enough written correctly. Enough. Okay. Just don't capitalize it. And that will be fine. Audio stream switch. So then if not not this. No. If there's not enough liter, it will nullify this. Next, if yes, start. Okay, vomit wave, just like that. And go like that. Why are you disconnected? Something like that. That's first part. It's just a selection if nothing was active. Now, if something was already active, it creates more cases. But it shouldn't be so hard. Boom. If is enough elements again. I will have to do it differently. Heat up or heat down. They both go in the same spot. If there's enough handymans, disaster length -1. Yeah. And there's the fun part. We duplicate this and go here. So something like that. If there's enough, it will basically decrement by 2. If not, by 1. That's the whole difference. Oh, wait a minute. Fun. But I can't write this down, I think. It's too obvious. And let me see their code. Fix boiler. Okay, they already did this, so Yeah, they did it differently. Is we can do it a little bit different. Is a lot. Wait a minute. We will do it like that. So we need this, then this. What the hell are you doing? Oh no. So this is a lot hediments. Yes. Nope. Pom. Why are you not acting like that? Yes. And no. Something like that. Eh. Um, something like that. And that's a whole logic. If is disaster ended. Mm-hmm. Come on. Reset. Disaster type. And for now. If not, we just end. Mm. And this should be fine. Mm. Incoming calls. This. If. Da, 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 else. Set. Mm. Okay. Interesting. Can I create like hyperlinks here? So if I will click somewhere here, it will navigate me. Inside this block. Okay, we will discover this later. Let's finally do something with vomit wave. So we again need this. I need to fit it somewhere here. my god, I'll have to rearrange everything later. Midwave. Is enough a liter? Vomit. Mm. That's yes. Then ooh, disaster length -1. Oh, currently created a connection. Not enough space. La, la, la. Visual disaster length. Oh. There's another thing. Is this a global? Okay. It's a pointer, so yeah, it's the same. This then again. Ah, This goes here, this goes here. Now, what the hell is this? Why it's so weird. Then we got here, basically. Oh, now how we can make it nicer? Can I like turn this thing to the left? Oh. Yeah. Can you change style? So if it's yes, go here. Disaster type. Why they don't change the anchor point by default? What the hell is this? Kinda like that. It will be fun to place and in the center. Okay, and we disconnected one of them apparently. Come on, what the hell is this thing? Okay, we will destroy all of this. Because it's a mess. So let's try and just drop everything to the outside. Why this is so strange? Oh my god. Oh, that's better. Up. Uh, mm, mm. So heat up is enough, is a lot. No boiler up. Is also not. This okay. Come on. Why can't you connect properly? Finally. Almost. Mm, yes, and no. Then we can move this. Why it's dragging the text? So funny. Uh, I need to put you here. Mm, and Hey, can you change? Okay. Mm. Can I disaster length -1? Like use everywhere the same. Because they all come down to here. So I can move all of this. Something like that. And now I can move it. Come on, move. And let's move all of this. And then this we can connect here. Ah! Yes. No. Yes. No, but there's a difference. There's a third one. That's why I can't use it like that. This is what? This is this. Is enough. Yes. No. Ooh. Yes. Another yes. And this one goes here anyway. Yep. Mm. Okay, it seems a little bit more readable. Still correct, I think. So let's try. We're getting in. We're checking disaster type. If it's none, we're checking if it's time to start one. That's what I missed. I removed it and forgot to add. If not. Then we go here. So if it's not the time, we are getting out. If it's time, we need to choose. No, we are doing this, and there is a possibility that we will set disaster type none. So their code actually was right here. So map random. So one is for skipping. Okay. There is a chance of this happening. Then if we got heat up, interesting. Can I grab the they don't have a name for them. Okay. It's basically where is it? This should be not like this. Not magic numbers. It should be enum. Yes, Lua is not an abbreviation. Enum in Lua. There is no enum in Lua. Okay. So they need then to define a table. Some kind. So if we got a disaster type, hit up, if there's enough handymans. That's what I broke and forgot to return. Da-da-da-dum. There's another thing they're checking, but I don't know what is this. Maybe it's open. Who knows? So if there's a lot of handymans, we are resetting. Oh, resetting disaster type. Let me do it here. Disaster lens. Yes. Let's go here. No, here. This is can I switch you? Like that? You here. It's nicer like that. Come on. Right lines. Thank you. So, again, cross. If I want to attach it here. This will be something like that. Hey, why you can't just attach here? Hmm. And this one actually goes here. Okay. Oh my god, can you stop this? Something like that then. What is this thing? Oh my, oh my. So if there's a lot, we are resetting disaster type and getting out of here. Hmm. Size of what? Oh my. Can I apply style? Oh. Oh my god. 13, no. Hmm. Can I select all text? What are you doing? Okay, let me select everything I can easily. Then we will play around with others. Okay. Huh, strange why it's one. Okay, that's fine. This one for some reason also. This all two. This is one. How do I do intersection on the flowchart? Mm, There's two types of intersections usually on the graphs, with a dot or with an arc. So if you're using arcs, then this is the intersection. If you don't use intersection arcs in the schemes, intersection must be a dot. So I don't know how to write our arc here, so we will be working like that. If there's no like special dot on the cross, it means they don't intersect. They just overlap but don't cross. Boom. Seems fine. So this reset, this also reset. They work pretty much the same, just different settings are applied. Vomit. So disaster type, vomit wave. Is enough liter? No, and actually this also goes here. If yes, it goes here. Then maybe I can fix this thing. There still will be intersection because of this thing. Let me disconnect everything again. Just if it's ended. If it's yes. This will also go here. Yes, and yes. This goes here anyway. And this goes here. Here. And this goes here. You can make it more like apparent. I will do it like that. Something like that. What happened here with the arrow? The fun. Arrows, are you drunk? That. Okay. Oh, again. What the hell happened to the arrow? It up. It down. So something like that. It will not destroy this. Mm. Move to the center. Mm. So this goes to the end. This goes to the end. If there's not enough liter, it's here. So it will not start a vomit wave if there's not enough liter. Then the vomit will begin here. Mm. Should I set this disaster length here or I can make it a little bit different. Set disaster length. How it happens, it's up to you guys. Mm. Again, something happening with stupid arrows. Okay. Seems fine. Hmm. Let's check this. So, vomit wave. Is enough liter? Yes. They will vomit again. So they will basically add to the liter counter. And if you will not cleaning fast enough, you will get the whole length of a disaster for you. Uh, enough liter, no. -2. Disaster ended, yes, no. About announcement. Oh, it happens here, here, and here. If okay. Reset. No. Okay, I will omit this part for now at least. So how this works, they don't need because they are doing completely different thing. Well, let me check another thing. Okay. Modify, remove. Do I have some saves? Nope. Okay. Nope. Modify door 2. Yeah, it's here. Oh, now we're glitching right like that. Okay. Ooh. So this thing seems fine. How vomit wave works should be understandable from this mess. Mhm. Is enough. No reset. Yes, vomit set length and then it goes again. Okay. Now I need to open the Corsic th GitHub source code. Let's go back here. what we got here. Which one they got right now? 69.2. So done. Okay. Let's in progress. Spawn changes. Cheat for queuing, jumping. Criterion is the off report. Target start menu. Stuff management. Spamming patient. Machine's been repaired by accepting patient simultaneously. Okay, in progress we will not touch. Fail to change game language, Unicode languages. It's not like original game problem, so we will not touch it right now. Bundle international font, unable to detect font. Update game guide wiki. Yeah, it's a nice menu where you can see all the machinery in your hospital in one place, and you don't need to jump around the whole hospital. Add detailed machine menu section, update screenshot, add machine menu hotkey to do. Screenshot of the control. And now update all existing screenshots, screenshot, update config file. Update cheats. Okay. Let's go to the 1.0 goal. So there is vomit wave thing. Wave controlled by this. Okay. Really hard to keep under control. This not implemented. Some analysis. Some vomit waves appear to be vetted when there's a less than 10 tiles per liter. Not the wave completely, because days will not be resetted. La. Okay, so nothing interesting here now. We finished explaining this thing. Persistible as possible. What is this? Okay, nothing. Implement AI hospitals. Ooh. Mm. AI patient? Ah, he means patient which is inside the AI hospital. Mm. I haven't looked at it much. Using PR. Why it's closed? Hmm. Graphic glitches, integrate cutscene, level editor, address, statistic for AI hospital. Mm. Oh my god. Ooh. Rats. That's another thing I wanted to look at. Because the Team Hospital without rats is not the same game. Where you can just create a new file inside here. Rats. Mm. Oh, will I be able to find a logic for rats? That's a question. Mm. To hospital struct. Let me see. Hospital data, data type, red hole count, and there is a map of holes. Red hole data. Chord orientation. How I know they create red holes. Yeah. Red holes are present and a special red level. So there's no red level, but there's only holes. Okay. AI hospital and the component associated with it, level skipping, newspaper. And this one, yeah. Oh, let me first look at this. What the hell? Hydra, can you crash? Are you serious? Because I closed the windows in the wrong order. You crashed. I like Java. Let's try. So, there's a thing. When you get an earthquake, patients will fall. In the Corsic, it's not implemented, as far as I know. So let me see, where is my data about quakes? Quake. Okay. No, don't show it here. Start and severity. Game tick. This I need. And use off. Da, come on, stop. We need read. Earthquake. Now, so quick stager. Where is my? Yeah, there is a quick stager. So this is okay. J0 and okay, then we are going here. We're setting this, and this. Okay. So the name random proceed. Okay, so the quake got several also steps. So first it checks if there's a quake event in the queue, because you don't even need to go into the game code to see this. Come on, notepad, come here. Shit. I accidentally clicked it. So that's a config file for the level. It's plain text, so no reverse engineering required for this to read the text. There is this thing, emergency controls and quake controls. So this is commented out because it's first level, there is no quakes, but usually it looks like that. There is an array of configs. It sets like stretch of time, how it's called, between the start month is 2, third month it's end month. So each day is 50 ticks as far as I remember. And each month is hard-coded to 30 days as far as I remember. There is like no difference. Let me check real quick. Oh my god, get back here. So if I will just scroll the time, I don't think they bothered to grab the correct dates. Or not. Oh no, January 31, February I think 28. There's never 29. Everything else is like correct, 30, 31. Yep, 28. March will be 31. Come on. Yep. And April will be 30. That's. Come on, come on, come on. Yep. 30. So it will just convert it from this config to internal tick metric. And there's the severity. It's how shaky it will be. The more, the worse, I think. Yep. Then game checks if it's time again. And first it announces it. There's like slight shake. And there's announcement that earthquake imminent. And then after some time, there is an actual hard earthquake. And at the second, like actual earthquake, if it's, I think, hard enough, the patience will fall. I don't think if it's like lower one, they will not fall. So let me see. Here we are setting the first announcement. There is a offset. And then we check again. And there is two things. So start announcement, offset, announcement. This one should be, yeah. Loop for the objects. Only objects. Object. Start type. Okay. Object. Hospital object type. 01 patient. Object. It's a 6. Why it's not static weight? Object. Why you doing it like that? Okay. Unknown. This. If this. Okay. Case 4. Set field. Ah, there is this call. Field type. Hospital index -1. What? Come on, open. 1 something. Field type 1. Status. And the next one is at field 2. Also status. Apparently I need to debug it. Because from this I can understand this. Maybe it's completely different place. So I thought it may be in the same place where the whole thing happens, but maybe I need to check the patients separately. Maybe they react separately for this. If something happens, they play this full animation. And also I need to check if Corsic even got the full animation working. But it will be not today, because for today I got all of my time and I have to go. So, at least I did a diagram for the vomit wave. I hope it will be helpful for you. I will push it into the repo. So, we will continue on the next week, I think. We will see. But for now, that will be all. I will see you all, I hope, tomorrow with ending of Full Throttle. So, I will see you all there. And for today, that's all. Have a good rest of the day. Have a good rest of the evening. Bye bye.